So this is the Speedliner we're standing inside of. This is an overhead gantry machine with some quite unique characteristics. Can you explain?
Yes, you're right. We are on the inside of a Speedliner, and this is a full linear machine, so it means that XYZ as well as A and C is full linear technology. On top of that, the machine has a unique thermal control system, which is a patent for the Parpas, that is maintaining the temperature of the structure of a machine, the complete machine, on a controlled temperature level to maintain any kind of distortion that may be caused by the temperature of the environment or any other change of temperature.
So you've got these in the columns as well as the gantry, every area that we see of the machine.
Correct. Yes, we have a different air conditioning unit, to be simple. One is for the left side column, one is for the right side column, and then we have a separate one for the gantries and the ram, so maintaining the complete machine. We are inside a 6 meter by 3.2 meter cross by 1.5 vertical machine. This machine can also go up to 30 meters long, for example, as well as up to 5 meters cross and 2 meter vertical. This is something that we are proud to say because we are one of the few companies, if not the only one, that we guarantee when we quote our machines, we guarantee on this size of machine, 6 meter by 3.5 meter, plus minus 20 microns, volumetric accuracy. This is not position, this is volumetric. This means that in any position, my tool tip moves in the machine will remain on a plus minus 20 microns error. If we talk about accuracy, anyone needs accuracy. So this machine can be bought by all different kind of industry. In specific, we have this machine running the aerospace for aircraft structural parts. We have this machine running into automotive molds, automotive dies, where accuracy is very, very important, as well as any other type of industry, energy and job shop, all this.
Where are my tools? Where are the tools housed?
The tools are right there. That is the tool changer, and there are all different other options that we can have on the machine.
Okay, but and is that an HSK
63? Again, also in this machine, we are talking about the Parpas spindles, and we go from HSK 63, I said before, or I can have an option of the HSK 100, and I go from 15,000 RPM to 30,000 RPM spindle.
What's the biggest one you've ever made and sold? Is it the 30 meters?
This machine, we built a machine that is running on an aerospace company in US with a dual gantry, 24 meter each gantry by 5 meter cross each gantry.